Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and today we are studying the subject O Levels D Maths 4024. We are working on the syllabus, and right now I am working on the book D2. This is from the new syllabus Mathematics 7th edition, book 2, and we are working on the concept of the factorization by grouping, expansion using special algebraic identities, expansion and factorization of the algebraic expressions. Today we have selected exercise 4D, and this is the first video on this exercise. So we will see how many questions of this exercise we can do in this video. So let's start this exercise. In Pakistan, this chapter is studied by our class, which is in the 8th. So let's start today's exercise. Okay, so exercise 4D from the book D2, New Syllabus Mathematics 7th edition. The first question is coming up on your screen. He says, factorize each of the following expressions completely. It's 45x squared minus 81xy. So you see 81 and 45, they both can be divided with the 9. So I will take 9 common. So here the 9x can be taken as common. So when you divide 45x squared with the 9x, you are left with the 5x. And when you divide 81xy with the 9x, you are left with the 9y. So 9x bracket 5x minus 9y. This is how you will do the factorization here. B part, 39xy minus 15x squared z. 39 and 15, you know, can be divided with the tables of 3. And plus the x is also common, so take 3x common. So 39xy divided by 3x, you are left with 13y. When you divide minus 15x squared z with the 3x, you are left with the minus 5xz. So this is how you do question number 1. It's B part. Question number 1, C part. xy squared z squared minus x squared y cube. Okay. So here you can see x is common. We take the if if an alphabet is common, we take the smaller power common. Okay, so here the x will be common and the y square will be common. So when you divide x y square z square with x y square, z square will be left. When you divide minus x square y cube with the x y square, you are left with the xy minus xy. So your answer will be xy square bracket z square minus xy bracket close. So question number 1, it's D part, minus 15 pi x cube y minus 10 pi x cube. So here the 5 is common, negative is common, pi is also common, x cube is common. So we will take minus 5 pi x cube common. So you are left with, inside the bracket, you are left with the 3y plus 2. We divide this with the common. We divide this with the common, and this is what you are left with. Minus 5 pi x cube bracket 3y plus 2 bracket close. This is question number 1. It's D part. Okay, so now we are going to the question number 2. He says factorize each of the following expressions completely. So here we have this. Here you can see question number A, 6a bracket x minus 2y bracket close plus 5 bracket x minus 2y bracket close. Here you can see x minus 2y bracket is common, so we will take that bracket common. So from here I will take x minus 2y bracket common. From here 6a is left, from here 5 is left. So the final answer will be bracket x minus 2y bracket close bracket 6a plus 5 bracket close. Question number 6a part. Question number 2a parts. Question number 2b part here, 2b bracket x plus 3y bracket close minus c bracket 3y plus x bracket close. You can see x plus 3y, 3y plus x is the same thing, so I can take this bracket common. So I will take x plus 3y bracket common. From here you are left with the 2b. From here you are left with the minus c. So your answer will be x plus 3y in one bracket and 2b minus c in the other bracket. So this is how you will factorize this expression. Question Question number 2, and it's a C part 3D bracket 5x minus y minus 4f bracket 5x minus y bracket close. You can see this 5x minus y bracket is same in both the terms, so you can take this common. Okay, so I will take the 5x minus y bracket common. Friend, in the other bracket, you are left with the 3D minus 4f. Because this thing has been common, so 3D from here and minus 4f from there. So if bracket 5x minus y bracket close, bracket start, 3D minus 4f bracket close is the answer. Question number 2, it's D part. It says 5h plus x plus 3y plus 10k bracket x plus 3y. So you can see this x plus 3y common. It's present in both the terms, so we can take it common. So I will take x plus 3y common plus so I will take x plus 3y common. From here, I will left with the 5h. From here, I will be left with the 10k. From these two, you can see 5 is common. Take that 5 out. So 5 bracket x plus 3y. Here you are left with h plus 2k. Question number 2, D part. So we are done with the question number 2. So now we are going to the question number 3. He says factorize each of the following expressions completely. These expressions have 4 terms and we want to factorize them. Ax minus 5a plus 4x minus 20. So first of all, I will check what is the common between the first 2 terms. Here a is common, from here 4 is common. Here I take a common, you are left with x minus 5 in the bracket. From last 2 terms, plus 4 is common. So bracket x minus 5. Now x minus 5 and x minus 5 from these 2 terms is common. From here you will have a, and from here you will have plus 4. So this is how you will do question number 3, A part. Question number 3 is B part. He says ax plus bx plus ay plus by. So here we go, ax plus bx plus ay plus by. From the first 2 terms, x is common, and from the last 2 terms, plus y is common. So when you take x common in the bracket, you will have a plus b. When from here you will take y common in the bracket, you will have a plus b. Now from this term and this term, you can see this bracket a plus b is common. Take it common. From here you will have x. From here you will have plus y. So this is how you do question number 3. It's B part. Okay, so we are going to the next question. Question number 3, C part. It says x plus xy plus 2y square. Okay. So these are 4 terms. From the first 2 terms, you can see x is common. Take x common. So here you are left with 1. X divided by x will be 1. Xy divided by x will be y. From the last 2 terms, 2y is common. So when you divide 2y with the 2y, you are left with 1. 2y squared divided by 2y, it will be plus y. So from this term and this term, you can see the bracket 1 plus y is common. Take it common. From here, you will have x in the other bracket. And from here, you will have plus 2y in the other bracket. So this is how you do the factorization of this expression. Question number 3, part C. Question number 3, part D, x squared minus 3x plus 2xy minus 6y. Okay. Okay, on your screen, we can take x common first 2 terms, and when you take x squared divided by x will be x, minus 3x divided by x will be minus 3 left. From the last 2 terms, 2y is common. So when 2xy divided by 2y, it will be x. Minus 6y divided by 2y will be minus 3, bracket close. So now we can take x minus 3 common. From here, I will take x. From here, I will take plus 2y. So x minus 3 in one bracket and x plus 2y in the other bracket. So this is how you do it. So that was question number 3. Now we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 8. He says, factorize each of the following expressions completely. So A part, here we have a bracket x plus y, another bracket a plus b, then we have a minus sign x plus z in one bracket and a plus b in the other bracket. A plus b bracket is common. So we will take that a plus b bracket common. From here, you are left with the bracket x plus y minus, and from here, you are left with the bracket y plus z. So it will be a plus b and x plus y. This negative will change their sign, so it will be minus y minus z, bracket close. Plus y minus y will be cancelled. So you are left with a plus b in one bracket, and in another bracket, you are left with x minus z. Question number 4, it's A part is done. Okay, question number 4, B part. It says C plus D whole square minus C plus 2D, C plus 2D whole square minus bracket C plus 2D, and another bracket 3C minus 7D. So this C plus 2D can be taken as common from both the terms. So we can take the C plus 2D common. So C plus 2D square whole square divided by C plus 2D will be C plus D minus, and from here you are left with this bracket 3C minus 7D. So C plus 2D outside square bracket C plus 2D, this negative will change the signs. So minus 3C plus 7D. Now you see C plus 2D in one bracket, here you are left with minus 2C, and here you are left with the plus 9D in the other brackets. So this is how you do question number 4, it's B part. Question number 4, it's C part, x bracket 2h minus k bracket close plus 3y bracket k minus 2h bracket close. So you can see these two have a little difference. So take a negative out and their order will change, okay? Because they are not same. So you see what I have done, I have taken a negative common. So this has become minus 2h will become 2h minus k. And now 2h minus k can be taken as common. From here you are left with the x, from here you are left with the minus 3y. Very important and tricky step here. Okay, so pause the video, take your time, understand what I've done. I've taken a minus common. So that's why the order has changed in that bracket. Now we have the 6x bracket 4m minus n bracket close minus 2y bracket n minus 4m. These two brackets have a little difference. If I take a minus out, it will become plus and their order will change. This is the trick to do this. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so when I take negative out, it becomes positive 2y and their order changes. This becomes 4m minus n. The thing which was negative becomes positive. The thing which was positive becomes negative. Now from these two terms, we can take 4m minus n common. From here, you will have 6x. From here, you will have plus 2y. In this second bracket, you can see these two terms, the two can be taken as common. So take that common, 4m minus n. And here you are left with 3x plus y. So this is how you will do question number 4, is D part. Question number 5, it says factorize each of the following expressions completely. 3ax plus 28by plus 4ay plus 21bx. Okay. So we will make a little rearrange. We will rearrange them. So I have 3ax plus 4ay plus 21bx plus 28by. Now I can see a is common from here. So you're left with 3x plus 4y in this bracket. From these two terms, 7 is common and b is common. So in the bracket, you will have 3x plus 4y. From this term and this term, you can see this bracket 3x plus 4y is common. So take that bracket common. From here, you are left with the a. From here, you are left with the 7b. So here at the start, we have to rearrange the expression. So this is how this is done. Question number 5, it's a part. Question number 5b part, 12cy plus 20c minus 15 minus 9y. So let me show you how this is done. So 12cy plus 20c minus 15 minus 9y. So it will be from the first two terms, you can see that the 4c is common. So 3y plus 5 from the last two terms, minus 3 is common. So inside the bracket, you are left with the 5 plus 3y. We divide them with the common. So now from this term and this term, that bracket 3y plus 5 is common. So I will take that common. You see, I have taken that common. From here, you are left with the 4c. From here, you are left with the minus 3. So this is how you will get the second bracket, and this is how you will factorize it. This is the question number 5. It's B part. Question number 5, it's C part. dy plus fy minus fz minus dz. Okay. So take from the first two terms y common, d plus f. From here, minus z is common, f plus d. From this term and this term, f plus d bracket is common. So from here, you will have y. From here, you will have minus z in the other bracket. And this is how you will factorize the question number 5C part. Question number 5D part, it says 3x squared plus 6xy minus 4xz minus 8yz. Okay. So from the first two terms, 3x is common. So inside the bracket, you are left with x plus 2y. From the last two terms, you can see minus 4 and z is common. So in the bracket, you are left with the x plus 2y. From this and this term, x plus 2y bracket is common. From here, you are left with the 3x. From here, you are left with the minus 4z, and that will come in the other bracket. And this is how you will factorize it. So question number 5 and E part, 2xy minus 8x plus 12 minus 3y. E part. So from the first two terms, 2 is common and x is common. So you are left inside the bracket with the y minus 4. From the last two terms, plus 3 is common. So in the bracket, you are left with 4 minus y. So there is a difference between these two terms. This is y minus 4. This is 4 minus y. So take a negative common, put a negative here. So their order will change. They become y minus 4. Now these two terms, they are exactly same. So take them common, y minus 4, and the other bracket will be 2x minus 3 bracket close. So this is how you will do question number 5E part. A little trick here, when I took a negative common, so their order can be changed, and these two brackets are exactly same. And then you can take that bracket common. Okay, question number 5F part, 5xy minus 25x squared plus 50x minus 10y. So it will be, take the 5x common from the first two terms. So in the bracket, you are left with the y minus 5x plus here plus 10 is common. So you are left with 5x minus y. These two brackets are not exactly same. So if I take a negative out, their order will change. 5x bracket, y minus 5x bracket close. When I take a negative out, so their order will become y minus 5x. So now you can see this term and this term is common. So I can take it common. From here, I will have 5x. From here, I will have minus 10. From these two, I can take 5 out. So you will have 5 bracket, y minus 5x bracket close bracket start. X minus 2 in the bracket. So this is how you will do question number 5. It's F part. Question number 5 is G part. He says x squared y squared minus 5x squared y minus 5x y squared plus xy cube. So from the first two terms, x squared y is common, bracket y minus 5 you are left with, minus from the last two terms minus, and xy squared is common, you are left with 5 minus y. Now you can see these two terms are not same. So from here I will bring a negative out, so it will become plus, and their order will change. So you will have x squared y bracket y minus 5 plus xy squared bracket y minus 5. So take y minus 5 common. So from here you will have x squared y plus xy square. So from these two, you can take xy common. So you will have xy bracket y minus 5, and here you will have x plus y bracket close. So this is how you will do question number 5, and it's G part. Question number 5, and it's H part. So question number 5, it's H part. He says kx plus hy minus hx minus ky. So we will do some little arrangement here, rearrange these things. So then it becomes easier. So I kx minus ky minus hx plus hy. From these two terms, k is common, so you're left with x minus y. From these two last terms, you can take minus h common. So you are left with x minus y in that bracket. Now you can see these are two terms, and in them x minus y is common. From here you will have k, from here you will have minus h. So this is how you factorize it. Question number 5, it's h part, x minus y and k minus h. Okay, so we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 6. He says, factorize each of the following expressions completely. The first one is 144p bracket y minus 5x squared bracket close minus 12q bracket 10x squared minus 2y bracket close. So we have to basically factorize them. Okay. So, okay. So basically, these two from this, look at here carefully. This is 10x squared minus 2y. From here, you can take a 2 common. So take it 2 common out. So it will become 24. And this will become 5x squared minus y. Now look at them. These are there's a little difference between these two brackets. Take a negative out, this will become plus, and it will become y minus 5x squared. Now from this and this, you can take y minus 5x squared common. From here, you are left with 144p. From here, you are left with plus 24q. And 144 and 24, 8 can be taken as common. So you will have 8 bracket y minus 5x squared bracket 18p plus 3q bracket close. A little tricky question. It's an advanced level question. It's a little tricky question. Okay, now you see we have the question number 6 and it's B part. It says 2 bracket 5x plus 10y bracket close bracket 2y minus x bracket close whole square minus 4 bracket 6y plus 3x bracket close bracket start x minus 2y bracket close. Okay, so let me show you how this is done. Question number 16 is B part. Okay, so this is from this bracket, from this bracket 5 can be taken as common. So when you take 5 out, this becomes 10. So here you're left with x. From here you are left with 2y, and 2y minus x whole square same minus 4. And from this bracket you can take 3 common. So you are left with 2y plus x. This is x. This is x minus 2y. If you want to make it like this, so from here we have taken a negative also out. So this become 2y minus x to make it same exactly like this. We have, this was the thing. When I took a negative out, it becomes positive. So this thing will 2y minus x. It will become 2y minus x. Now you can see this is 10 bracket x plus 2y minus x whole square plus 12, 2y plus x and 2y minus x plus 2y plus x, same thing. So take from this and this, 2 is common, x plus 2y is common, and 2y minus x is common. From here, you are left with the 5 and the bracket 2y minus x. And from here, you are only left with the 6. When you divide this thing with this, you are left with the plus 6 only. So this is 2 bracket 2y plus x and 2y minus x. And here you are left with the 10y minus 5x plus 6. So 2 bracket x plus 2y bracket close bracket start x minus 2y bracket close. Here you are left with the 5x and 10y plus 6 because I have taken a negative out and put in this bracket. So I have changed its order. It will be x minus 2y. We have taken one negative from this bracket and put it here. So it will become x minus 2y, and this its signs will change. So it will become plus 5x minus 10y minus 6. Tricky. It's a tricky question, especially what happened here. So that was the question number 6, and I hope you have understood. Okay, the question number, and then we have 7, factorize the expression 1 by 3 p square q plus 4 by 3 p square r completely. So then he says, hence, okay, we will do that later. Okay, question number 7, first part, 1 by 3 is common, p square is also common. So this will be 1 by 3 p square bracket q plus 4r. Then they want us to use this result to find the value of 1 by 3 into 1.2 square into 36 plus 4 by 3 into 1.2 square multiply 16. Okay, so let's see. So I can take 1.2 square common, 1 by 3 also common. You're left with the 36 plus 4 into 16. So 1 by 3 into 1.2 square, that will 36 plus 64. And this will be 1 by 3 into 1.44 into 100. This will be 100. So it will be 0.48 into 100. That will be 48. So this is how you will do this question 7. Okay, so now we are going to the last part. He says, factorize the expression x cubed plus 3x minus x squared minus 3a completely. So let me show you. Okay, so we will take the x cubed minus x squared plus 3x minus 3. So x squared, this will be x minus 1 plus 3 will be common from here. So x minus 1 is left here. So from this expression and from this, from this term and this term, x minus 1 bracket can be taken as common. So we will take it common. X minus 1 is here. So here you have x squared plus 3. So this is how the question number 8, its first part is done. Now in the question number 8, second part, he says, let me increase the size so you can see it clearly. Hence express this x square minus 3 whole cube, minus bracket 2 minus x square bracket close whole square plus 3 bracket x square minus 3 bracket close in the form of x raised to power 4 plus ax square plus b in one bracket, and in another bracket you have x square plus c, where a, b, and the c are integers. Okay, so this is a very, very tricky question. So, but the methodology which I use to solve it is quite unconventional. So here you have x square minus 3 whole cube minus 2 bracket 2 minus x square whole square plus 3 bracket x square minus 3. So here I suppose that the y is equals to x square minus 3. This is the one value which I will be using. Then y is equals to x square minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. I split that minus 3. So x square minus 2, take this to this side, x square to this side, take this y to the other side. So 2 minus x square will be equals to minus y minus 1. So I will substitute these values in that original expression. Here in the place of x square minus 3, I will write y and its cube minus. Here this in this I can be substituted with minus y minus 1 whole square plus this is 3y. Now this will be y cube. This will be, if take negative out, so that negative will have a square on it, so it will become positive. So that negative will remain negative, so it will become y plus 1 whole square. I have taken the minus 1 out, but due to this square, it has got no effect. But inside the signs have changed, whole square plus 3y. So I will open this y cube minus y plus 1 whole square will be y square plus 2y plus 1 bracket close. And then you have plus 3y. When you open this bracket, this negative will change the signs. So y cube minus y square minus 2y minus 1 plus 3y. Y cube minus y square plus y minus 1. So I can take y square common here. It will be y minus 1 left. Then from these, the last two terms, I can take plus 1 common. So in the bracket, you are left with the y minus 1. So from this term and this term, y minus 1 is common. Take it common. So from here, you will have y square plus 1. So now substitute back the values. So in the place of y, I will put x square minus 3. So in the place of y, I will substitute back x square minus 3 minus 1. Here we'll have x minus 3, x square minus 3, I mean whole square plus 1. So this will be x square minus 4, and this will become, open this whole square. Square of the first term minus 2 into first term and second term plus square of the second term. This will be x raised to 4 minus 6x square plus 9 plus 1. So it is x square minus 4. This will be x4 minus 6x square plus 10. So this is how you do this question. This question number 8, its second part is unusual. And the method I used is not in that whole chapter. So question number 8, a second part is done. So what you can do, let me increase the size. So pause the video And so take your time. Take your time to do this question. It's a very tricky question, not a simple, straightforward question. So my dear students, with this question, I think the exercise 4D has been completed. This 4D exercise we have completed in a single video, thanks to God. So thank you very much, everyone. If you have found this video interesting and useful, and you think you have learned some mathematics from this video, and your friends and your junior students can also learn, your class fellows can also learn from this video, share the link of this video onto your Facebook and onto your Instagram and onto your Twitter accounts, because that will be a great appreciation for me and for my work. So once again, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Also like this video. Thank you very much, everyone. It's a great blessing for me to be able to teach you through this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day. God bless you.